Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. It comes with 1.5 Blue HDI engine with 130 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car you've got a black roof, full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels and tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors which come with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car though, you've got the touchscreen that features connected navigation. There's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And you also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Car's done 10,000 miles and it was first registered at the end of June in 2018. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.